Supply chain optimization is a big focus area for us as we get into the next phase of implementing Oracle Cloud. The world has seen a lot of disruptions within supply chain for various reasons in the last few years alone. Supply chain optimization is at the forefront of what our clients are looking for, especially those that are in manufacturing or distribution domain. Supply chain optimization requires some of the most complex business problems to be solved. Generally, it tends to include a lot of different technologies. It's not something that could be just taken care of within your ERP, and that's where our resources come into the mix. We bring more than 2 decades of experience working with distribution and manufacturing companies within supply chain domain. If you are looking for a partner that doesn't look at supply chain problem as just an Oracle problem or ERP problem, but rather understands the business complexity underneath it, that's when you want to talk to AXIA. Our resources bring in more than 2 decades of supply chain experience that will ensure you achieve the supply chain optimization that you're looking for.